Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install FileZilla client in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. First of all, what is the use of the FileZilla? FileZilla is mainly used to upload website to online server. So I make video on same topic. If you want to upload any file or website to your server, then go to this video link in the description and upload your website to your server. Okay, and now go to our video. I just go to the any web browser and just type FileZilla. Open the first link. It is from the FileZilla. This website is open. Then here we find download FileZilla client. You can click at here, or here we find download option. Just click on download option. Here we find Windows 64-bit or 32-bit. Just click at here. Here we find many options and we go with the FileZilla. Okay, here is the FileZilla. Here is the some pay options. We are not going to the pay options, so I just go to the here download FileZilla from here. Okay, just go to the desktop, save on the desktop. Okay, now minimize it, close this. Here is our FileZilla. Just right click on our FileZilla and run as an administrator. Click on the yes button. Here just agreement, just I agree. Click on the I agree. Okay, click on the next. I want the desktop icon, so I click the desktop icon. Click on the next. Don't change anything. If you want to change destination folder, then change it. Okay, now it is installing your FileZilla. Then start FileZilla now. Now here is our FileZilla. Now if you want to upload your files or entire website to your web server, then I make a video on same topic. Just go to this video, how to upload website to online server using latest FileZilla. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.